Both Sam and I went out in search of new roads today. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. In this way. I didn't run on this road as it seemed very, very busy. More opportunities to come in the summer months. Length of the run isn't accurate as the car was up and down a few times just to get the feel of the road. It's hard, Sam, it's hard. The road has terrible cambers in it and they don't stay consistent, so the car moves left to right. On the wrong side of the road. Is it slippy like?
Yep. I would say that was near 100 there anyway.
105.
105. And that is a bad road there too.
I'll not be up here again. I have inquired about running on this airfield. This is Langford Airfield in Northern Ireland. And so far it seems very promising.